Welcome to our lesson about deleting faces. Solidworks has a tool that does just that for you. Insert, Face, Delete. Let's check out the first option, Delete. Here's a solid. I want to convert it into a surface. I'll select and delete one of the faces. Let's click OK. Now we've got a surface body instead of a solid. Our Delete Face feature can be found in the Surface Bodies folder. Let's return to the Delete Face tool. I want to take a look at the second option, Delete and Patch. Let's say I want to remove the cone that's on top of this face. We'll select these two faces and click OK. The face is deleted and patched. Let's activate the tool again and try out the last option, Delete and Fill. Right here I've got a corner fillet. I've used the setback option, and as a result, I've got many different segments on the fillet. I'm going to select all of these segments. Last one, and then OK. Now we've got one continuous smooth face. This concludes our tutorial about the Delete Face tool.